Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be unboxing the new Yeezys that came out on Saturday, November 16, known as the Yeezy 380. And yeah, let's get right into it. If you guys didn't know, on their website when they listed this item, they had a new return policy to it. It was like 7-day money back guarantee, and that's a new thing. It probably means that Yeezy, well, not Yeezy, but like Kanye is probably gonna start like putting out more products, and like he said back then, he's trying to make everyone wear Yeezy. So I don't know, probably it might be the downfall for Yeezys. But here you go, guys. Yeezy 380. I got a size 8.5, and yeah, also known as the aliens. But right here we are. Let's let it focus in and stuff like that. But here we go, guys. On the Yeezys, they have a little bit of 3M on the sides. They also have it on this side. Here's the other shoe, same thing. And yeah, guys,